Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 67. If we start with this box, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. 9 here, 7 here means this is our 6. 6 and 9 here makes this our 7, 9. For this bottom row now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this row, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this column, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got 7 covering these two boxes, so our 7 must be here. We've got the 1 here, so 3, 1. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 4 here, so 6, 4. For this column, we're missing 7 and 8. And I don't see any help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this box, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here and a 7 here. So this is our 5. That 7 makes this our 8, 7, and that 7 makes this our 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. Got a 4 here, so 1, 8. 8 here, so 1, 4. 4 here, so 1, 8. That means the only place our 4 can be in that box is here. For this top row, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 7. 8 here, so 1, 8, and that 8 makes this our 1. For this column, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this column, we've got 1, 2. We're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. For this row, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.